Aloha mai to a week of wellness. Let's eat. I'll show you my Monday through Friday 90-minute walk workout routine, trying to begin habits that help me and are sustainable long-term, not short-term. You've come to the right place if you're looking for an imperfect health and wellness workout routine, because I have a pretty good gist on what I'm doing, but not really most of the time when it comes to this. So I'm hoping we can figure it out together. Aloha. We're back in the Old Navy set. This has me feeling so pa'a and secure. Cute colorway. It's just, I don't like the leggings feeling. I don't like it. And I definitely don't like this if it was a little tighter and secure like this. This is secure. But I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I can return it after I've worn it. Oh, but we're getting ready now. I don't do much skincare. I guess I'll do this toner. It's the feeling of the aftermath of all of the crap that we've eaten at Disney, of sitting with that, and also getting back into the routine of walking again. And then also just feeling really heavy. I feel really heavy and inflamed. Inflammation. That was the word I was trying to think of for this video. Downstairs quite a few hours later, getting some work done on the canna. These are 2 vitamins I take. I don't know why we bought them. We bought them quite a while ago. The zinc you take with a meal, the B12 you just take on its own, put it under your tongue. I don't know if they do much of anything overall, not that I've noticed anything significant, but I've just gotten into a habit of taking them. So I just took them already. Still haven't eaten anything yet, so I usually hōʻemi kino on an empty stomach. You guys know I film my workout routines, those 20-second, 90-minute walk workout in 20 seconds. 90-minute walk workout routine in 20 seconds. Say that 10 times fast. But now I'm doing this double time because I'm filming for YouTube. Y'all, my running shoes from Disney, or my walking shoes. Girl, suffering from all those walking in Disney and walking in the rain. Thank you.
Elamai!
Huh?
Elamai ko hōʻemi.
Elamai. Elamai. Follow ihi, yeah? Keep my water right there. Let the walking begin. That was such a cute episode. The 200th episode in the 10th season. I just went through all the season and counted, and this is the 200th. It was a special. Look, all done. I gotta say, I was struggling a little bit the last 37, half an hour. I started the episode late. Typically, I time it down to the minute. So I walk for 90 minutes. Each episode varies 45 minutes. These 2 I watched today were 43. So 43, 43, perfect. 45, 45 is 90. But I gotta shave off those 3 minutes. So I usually take those minutes, the difference, 45, 45, 90 to 86, to just warm up at 3.0. And then I bump it up the first half, the first 45, 43 minutes in this case, to 3.4. And the second half, I've worked myself up to 3.5. I was struggling a little bit, I'll be honest. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 2:36 p.m.
Not bad. Divine. Ground beef hamburger. Oh man. And then I have leftover pork chops ma'ana'i, which is leafy greens, and hakea no killa cheese. Feta. Feta cheese. And then this big old thing of takuan. Oh, and the dressing. Sell it to that, please. Cool. Oh. My mom put me on to their version of shoyu or soy sauce. It's a vinaigrette, Bragg organic, dressing and marinade with Bragg apple cider vinegar. I love. And all the ingredients in it I recognize. And I can say it in plain English. It's rip. Oh, no, take one. Sorry, Olipop. This is the ginger root beer flavor. Come on. Just the best. The best, the best, the best. And I'm going to have me a sweet treat. Oh, God. And y'all wouldn't know this if I didn't tell you, but last night, when I looked up at the clock, I thought, oh, dang, I didn't realize it was that time, but it was already done. It was already done. I cracked open another Zevia, and I had that Himalayan popcorn. Gosh. At 11:30 at night. We put Baya down to sleep, and we talked about, Kelly and I talked about having some popcorn, but I'm trying to stray away from that box popcorn. And then he goes and sprays that butter on it, and it's like, oh my gosh. Don't get me wrong, I love that butter, salt. It's all over. I'm all over it, man. When we go to the movies, oh God, it's terrible. So the eats didn't stop at dinner. The eats stopped at 11:30 at night. It's 7:15. I was getting some work done. I think I'm gonna do my walk within the next hour. A little bit of a really late start. Made these for Vayahin. What brand is it? Not Kodiak. I can't remember. We threw the box away. This is my second one. Starving. This one has chocolate chips in it. Same workout clothes, y'all. Same workout clothes. And I gotta put lemon. It's a little hoho no malela. Gonna let this digest for a few minutes and then get my ass on the walking pad. Oh, you wanna know? Oh, no? The second toe here of mine has been hurting. I can see the nail. My nails, I don't know how they grow really long and really strong. Even before, I don't even know if the zinc and that omega thing supplement that I'm taking is helping anything. It's been growing like diagonally, and it's been kind of, I mean, not painful, but painful enough that I know that it's happening. I know that it's hurting. And I feel it hurt even more when I bump up the speed to 3.5 because we're nearly, almost running, sort of, light jogging at that point. I think once I keep up my stamina, it'll get better. But it's the speed and it's for the length of time that I'm walking. So I'll test it out today. I'm going to do a 45-45. I'm going to pay attention to the time. The second half of the workout, the second episode, I will bump it up to 3.5 and I will check back in to see if that's what it is. I mean, the alternative is just to cut the nail down. Once I cut the nail down, it's mekai. So we shall see. Uncle poured me a soda, a Zevia soda, but I don't know what flavor it is. I'm gonna guess vanilla. Come here, Uli. I have the blue vanilla, the brown, which is root beer, and the yellow, I think is the ginger. My guess is on vanilla. Yeah. And I was right. And I was right. Yes, it is. Come on. I check the trash. I'm trying to throw it away. Oh, dang. It's not. Oh, it's cream. You stand corrected. Oh, hold on. Well, I destroyed all evidence of it already. Little Miss over here has been ono for hot cocoa. We made it twice during Wakalikimaka, maybe even late November. And she's been wanting to have it again. So now it's January and we're having hot cocoa. I don't know. This is, okay. It's organic, dark hot chocolate, rich and extra decadent. My cup of tea, however, I shouldn't have drank the whole cup. I drank the whole stinking cup. Plus we had marshmallows in it. Plus, Anakala put some of the whipped cream. It's like kopa'a on kopa'a on kopa'a. Nevertheless, it was delicious, and that probably was my whole 90-minute walk that I just did today. But Molly is it. Total sugars is 22 grams, includes 22 grams of added sugar. We're just gonna enjoy it for what it was. And Missy wanted me to add this into it too. Yeah, I bought these during Kalikimaka. And I had it with the hot cocoa that Kelly made us last month or in November. And it was ono. But no. Hey, I have you. Sophia Ricci is apparently the queen of slick back buns. And she recommends to use a hair mask for her slick buns. So she uses a hair mask. So I have this one sitting in my drawer. It's by Briogeo. Sorry, not Briogeo. Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. And I must say, because usually I would just load it on with gel. I just cut out the middleman and just went straight for the gel. And ukapaila gel, a lot of this, because it takes a lot to stick it down. But something about the mask keeps it, I don't know what the texture is called, but I like it. I think I get it now. And then I don't have to use as much gel or hairspray. I used hairspray a little bit too. I like that method. I didn't even realize I had this until I remembered that it was in there in my drawer. It's Thursday, so today and tomorrow of our walk, and we are cheery for this week of wellness. I did have a little brownie cupcake thing last night at like 12 o'clock at night or 1 in the morning. I think I was watching this series, which I'm finishing up now. It's bad. Not as much snacking from my last YouTube video, but I'm noticing the more protein, those heavy protein packed meals, they help a lot. Curbing the appetite, filling you up, and also it's curbing my taste for refined sugars and sweets. It's really helping with that. I think that's what it is. And lots of water. I still haven't taken my zinc and that omega, whatever, those 2 supplements I take, so we gotta take that. What a day this was. Just came back from Costco. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Grilled chicken, chicken nuggets, chicken thighs. Hey, Kaya, Kobe meat, huh? Oh my gosh. Wow. Stacked. Some croissants for Vayahi. These are the chips. I don't know if I mentioned this. My snack. My siate snacky chips. Hickory smoked bacon. How awful. Ohelo papa, meoneki, vayu, koyu, lemons. Lemon juice instead of actual lemons for my, my bits. I want more popcorn. Oh, not okay though?
Yes.
Mahalo. Just may cover a little kahe. Kaho. Baba? Hello. Kind of a late walk, but it was a day. It was a day. And we went to Costco, but finished at 9 o'clock, 9:15, but still got it done. Obviously. Wow, this is a top ramen hot pot fusion Thai coconut curry chicken flavor with bok choy and red bell peppers. It's about half of the calories that I just burned during my walk. I picked this up from Costco. However, it's obviously heavy carb dense. It's carb dense. If If you want to enjoy it, then instead of subtracting from it and not enjoying it at all, this isn't something that I would have on its own. Well, I have had it on its own, but I thought add to it. Broccoli, more vegetable, and boiled egg for protein. So we're going to try it together. And this is just frozen broccoli. I want to get a broccoli, noodle, and egg in one bite, but I don't know how to do that. I don't know if we use chopsticks or what. I don't know. I like it. If we had edamame, I would add edamame to this. What else could I add? Let's try it with the egg. Add to it. Pop some vegetables in it. In my mind, theoretically, since I'm eating something this heavily carb, and I haven't taken a bath, you know what I mean? I mean, I'll eat this, and then at least when I'm taking a bath, I'm still vertical, moving, getting some type of step in, rather than just eating this and then sitting on the couch to watch a movie. Or just sitting on the couch, eating this, watching a movie. So that's kind of my theory. It kind of makes sense, you know? Just trying to be conscious about that as much as possible. Very good. Now I just need to swallow out. Oh. I should just drink water. Oh, here's a good bite. That looks like a good bite.
Filled with plays and miracles and acts of God for his epic sense of cinema and scale.
Heavy. Dad, give her one of my sodas. Mahalo, babe. Can't help it. Also, I'm kind of eating this late. It's like after 9:30.
Seamlessly blending traditional 2D animation with
Again.
that is nothing. Computer-generated imagery and pushing the envelope of technology.
Oh, jeez. It's LA again today. All right, I'm gonna get my hair done and we gotta jump in a meeting that starts in about 2 minutes. It is Friday. I have 2 TikToks to edit. I haven't been posting the check-in videos on TikTok because I don't even want to be bothered with TikTok right now. I don't know. I just don't. Well, I don't want to be bothered with TikTok, and also I was supposed to prep some content to post before because I like to space out my workout videos. I don't like them to be posted consecutively, but then again, sometimes if I don't have those other posts or videos prepared, then I'm not posting anything. Again, I don't know how this works. I'm still trying to figure it out myself. Yeah, and I've been concentrating a lot on my job, the paperwork, that side of stuff. So obviously something's got to give, and committing more to filming for YouTube. But while I haven't been posting the check-ins, I have been very much walking. I have been getting the workouts in. YouTube will know. TikTok may or may not know that. I don't know. I haven't eaten anything yet either. So let's get the work done. And then we'll get something to eat. It very well may not be the most sanitary thing to rewear your workout clothes. You guys just saw me in this set last night, and I'm in it again. I do hang it up for it to air out in my bathroom with AC still running. I mean, AC is on throughout my house. But I don't know. I haven't had any type of body acne or anything yet. I think I'll reward myself with another workout set in, I don't know, maybe 3 months. So maybe in March.
Wait. It's all so confusing. These bones are so numerous.
Can I get the Bond Defense family? Right. Good one, Christine.
Ting ting.
Well, bueno. Wherever that guy is. It's about 2 cups. Oh, that's good. Ooh, pizza. Look at the lineup tonight, y'all. Hola.
Thank you, Christine.
We have makeup on. We're gonna start with the protein first. This is the mix. I just put it in the kind, the measuring cup. Well, frozen it was about 4 cups. Now cooked, microwaved, heated up. It's exactly 2 cups, which it says 2 cups, for 5 minutes. This, hold on before I get copyrighted. Where's the, I think I'll be fine. What is this? Salad, pesto pasta salad. Kirkland signature pesto pasta salad. Pesto, nulu. What is the cheese? Mozzarella cheese?
Mozzarella.
Yeah. Sun-dried tomatoes, I think, and spinach. Careful of that though, I don't want too much of that. And then this is a little bento with hereʻs, more, just a regular more. Oh. Best sea salt, right?
Chocolate food.
Broccoli, more, and what is that? The round thing?
Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
what is it? No, I was gonna say asparagus. Sprouts? No.
No. Brussels sprouts.
Brussels
What's
sprouts.
your flaws?
Has a little bit of seasoning on it, but oh no, not spicy. I have Panama on because I'm gonna film a couple things.
And I'm going to smell it. Now my mom smells. Now Mickey.
Oh, ko umiki au. Olaro miki au.
Mickey, couch in a bun. Where I cover it.
Yeah. Wow. I know.